delicious peanut butter pie recipe for you. You're gonna love it. Stick around. Roll that intro. Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Before we go too much further, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is an easy no-bake recipe and we think you're gonna love it. Alright, let's check out the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna make 2 pies today because, you know, why not? This is delicious. You can either get Oreos for this or you can just buy the Oreo pie crust like we did. We're gonna need some powdered sugar and we're gonna need some, obviously, peanut butter. Choose your favorite kind. Ours is Jif, so we're going with Jif. You'll need a block of cream cheese per pie, so if you're just doing 1 pie, just use 1 thing of cream cheese. And you'll need 1 tub of Cool Whip per pie, and we like to put some Reese's miniature peanut butter cups on top. Alright, let's get to making that pie. Alright, so we start out with beating the peanut butter with the cream cheese until smooth, and then we're going to add the powdered sugar and beat until smooth, and then we're going to add our whipped topping and beat until smooth, and then we're going to pour the filling into the crust and try and make it as even as you can on the top with a knife or a spatula, and then we'll chill for an hour in the refrigerator. And here's a look at the final result. I'll go ahead and drop the recipe down there in the description box below. Make sure you drop us a comment and tell us how you like the pie. Also, make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with some video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in joining the family, click the join button down there below. There's a lot of great benefits in our membership program. If you want a little less of a commitment, we have a coffee page as well. You can visit the coffee page and just drop us like a virtual tip and say thank you or you're doing a good job. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.